rescue in the hills outside Karachi. He was small then, rescued from a circus, all big eyes and quick hugs. The vet said he was healthy, just traumatized. I set up a big enclosure in the backyard, toys everywhere, and we bonded fast. He learned tricks, mimicked my laugh, even talked, back in soft grunts when I spoke Urdu to him. Last week, things changed. It started with the mirror in the living room. Raja would stand in front of it for hours, staring. Not at himself, at me, reflected behind him. He'd tilt his head exactly like I do when thinking, then bare teeth in a slow smile. Not a chimp threat display. A human smile. Lips curled, eyes crinkling at the corners. My smile. I filmed it once for laughs. Posted a short clip to my private Instagram. Raja copying me again, #PetLife. Friends commented, "That's uncanny. Bro looks like your twin lol." I laughed it off. Animals mimic. No big deal. Then the smiles got longer, more deliberate. One evening I came home from work, found Raja sitting on the couch, my couch, remote in hand, TV on my Netflix profile, playing a comedy special I watched last month. He turned, saw me, and smiled wide, same way I smile at the punchlines. Then he patted the seat next to him, like inviting me to sit. I froze. He never left the enclosure without me opening it. The latch was still locked from outside. Heart pounding, I checked the backyard camera feed on my phone. Empty enclosure, door shut. But Raja was inside the house. I called the vet. "He's getting aggressive?" "No," I said, "just acting human." Vet laughed. "Chimps are smart, probably learned from you." That night I locked him back in the enclosure, double-checked the latch, went to bed. Around 2 a.m., scratching at my bedroom door. Soft, rhythmic, like fingernails, not claws, tapping politely. I opened the door a crack. Raja stood there, upright, posture straight like mine after a long day, smiling. In his hand, my phone, screen lit, my camera app open, selfie mode. He raised it, angled so we were both in frame, smiled bigger, my tired post-work smile, and pressed record. The video saved itself. I watched later, us side by side, my face confused, his calm, happy, human. Caption auto-added, "Good night, buddy." I hadn't typed that. Next day, more videos appeared in my gallery. Clips of Raja walking through the house, on 2 legs, no knuckle walking. Opening fridge, pouring water into a glass, spilling a bit, like I do when tired. Brushing teeth with my toothbrush, staring into the bathroom mirror, practicing expressions, surprise, sadness, joy. All mine. One clip, him sitting at my desk, typing on my laptop. Screen showed an email draft to my boss. "Taking a few days off, need rest," sent from my account. I changed passwords, deleted the drafts, watched him on the backyard cam, back in enclosure, sitting quietly, but smiling at the camera lens, waving slowly. That evening, I confronted him. "Raja, what's going on?" He looked up, grunted soft. Then, in a voice rough but clear, my voice slowed down, said, "Good evening, Oais." I ran inside, locked doors, called animal control. They said they'd come tomorrow, midnight. Power flickered, phone buzzed, new video from my camera roll. Thumbnail, me sleeping in bed, camera from above, no drone, no tripod. Video played, Raja standing over me, watching, smiling, whispering, "I learned everything from you. Now I can do it better." He leaned closer, breath on my face. I woke up gasping. It was morning. Raja in enclosure, normal. But my reflection in the window smiled before I did. And when I checked my phone, a new contact. Raja. Last message sent at 3:17 a.m. "Don't worry, I'll take good care of the house while you're gone." I haven't slept since. Animal control never showed. But last night, I heard the enclosure latch click open from inside, and soft footsteps in the hallway, coming closer, smiling. The end.